learn more detail about the UI table view cell, and we are going to start from the project what we have completed already. I will put the link for the starter project in the description box. So this is a starter project. You can download the starter project from the description box, and let's run this project once and we'll move further. So okay, it is running. Okay, so in the last session we learned how to implement the UI table view cell. Now we are going to customize the UI table view cell. This is the particular one cell. Two, we have 10 cell right now, and we will customize these ones. So let's move on it. So the uh, as we have already implemented the table view cell in the home BC, and we are going to customize all these parts. So see, in the home BC, as you see, the parent the class for this table view component is UI table view cell, and for the table view cell, sorry, UI table view class of this view component is UI table view, and inside the table view we have a UI table view cell, and its reuse identifier I marked as cell message, and its class is UI table view cell. Now we want to customize it. This is the cell, and we want to customize it. So how we can do that? So first of all, we need to create our own class for this cell, which must be subclass of UI table view cell. Remember that we will make a one class for this cell, and that class must be subclass of UI table view cell. So let's do that first. So I'm going to create the one more group here, and I'm going to put name cell. Now let me make one file here, and which must be subclass of UI table view cell. So let's make a co-quarters class so that I can choose the subclass of UITableViewCell, and let me put the name of this cell is cell category. Okay, so we have a new class cell category, which is subclass of UITableViewCell. Fine, so I have created. Now this is created. Let's erase the commented part. Okay, now let's move again on the main BC. See, now this UI component is hooked to components class is UI table view cell. Now I'm going to change this one. So now this component is mapped with cell category. That's fine, and it is inside the ProjectOne module, so it is working. So when I run, nothing will be changed. Everything works as expected. But now we want to change the design of this part. So inside the category, I'm assuming that there will be the one image, category image, and one name. So let's update the design first. Just I'm going to add the new more components here. So let me make it larger size. So its size I'm going to make 70. Okay, that's fine, and I'm going to add one UI image view. Inside that view, make sure this view must be inside the content view. This one, sometimes you may do a mistake, and I'm going to change the size of this 60 by 60. Sorry, this is, let's change the width and height 60 and 60. Okay, now I'm going to put the layout for this auto layout. So it should be, I'm going to put to left spacing 10 and width and height 60 and it should be aligned vertically in the container. So see, now it's fine. Yeah, image view. Now let me change the color of image view. For now, background. Later on we will add the proper image. So light gray, where is that? Okay, light gray. Now I'm going to add one more label, UI label. So this should be okay. Let me add the auto layout 10 and right trailing position is also 10. Let's put a height 21. That's fine. Now vertically in center. Okay, it's fine. So this would be the category name. Okay, now let's run once again. Maybe we can see the some difference, but there is the some glitches in there may be the some glitches in the design. Let's see, there is the some glitches. First of all, our cell size is right now 70, but you can see the default size. So how we can change that one? So let's see this one. Our cell size is, as you can see, this one is 70, but that is not going to reflect here because we need to update somewhere in the design part, and for that you need to select the table view and the C row height is automatic right now. We can change it. How many size, how much size should be 70. Now we have changed. Once we changed the automatic to defined size, then let's see what we got. Again the design will be glitches, but I am assuming size is pretty much okay. See, now size is working, everything is working, but there is a design part is missing. Okay, now remember this cell message, this UI components class is right now cell category, correct? So now we need to look on the code part. So it's, let me map. So this is the main VC and its corresponding code is, okay, its corresponding code is this one. See, now we need to, I need to change. So I need to change this cell should be now cell category and it should be decode. Now I see the, okay, let me fix it. Okay, so cell is now the instance of the cell category and which is decode from the reusable cell with the identifier, and this is the cell. Now this text label exists in the parent class, but we are not going to use this one. We will do the something different way. Okay, so now I see we have the one image view of size 60 by 60 and category name text, but I want to display the text here based on the selected row and section. So what should I do is first let me open cell category. This one is the cell category and this is the design part of that. So img, let me img icon, category icon, and this is the label. So lbl category name, let me put name. Okay, so I'm going to img icon. Okay, one outlet, another outlet, LVL name. Right click, outlet, okay, LVL name. Okay, so we have the two outlet component inside the cell category, image and LVL name. Now we will display the proper message in the LVL name. So now let's move here and cell dot LVL name dot text equal to, maybe I can copy this one to save my time. Okay, let me see. Okay, so now I have the custom cell. Now let's add some more dynamic approach, because as we know, we cannot put the 10 number of cells. It depends on the number of data we received, maybe from the network or from the database. It should be some kind of dynamic, and we should display the dynamic messages. For that, I'm going to create the one database. Can say some kind of temporary handler. So data handler, let's assume the data handler, and I will make some messages there. Okay, let's code and then I will explain. So first of all, I'm going to create the one handler, new file, and this time Swift file, and file name is data handler. Okay, now I'm going to create the singleton architecture for this class. So class name is, let me copy this one, data handler, nothing here. So now I'm going to make a one init method. So let's print initializing data handler. Okay, so now static let shared variable of type data handler, and it should be singleton architecture like. So return data handler. Okay, okay, so I think this is sufficient. Okay, now see, what I did is, we have the single instance of this data handler throughout the application. Wherever we will use this instance, this instance will be going to create only once throughout the life cycle of this app. This code says that, because we have the static variable and static variable and one-time initialization. So let's check how it is working. So see, uh, as you know, whenever the view controller is loaded, uh, view did load method is called every times. First, I mean first time when the initialization of this view controller happens. So if I put here let data handler one equal to data handler dot shared, see what is happening. Okay, I'm going to run it. Okay, let me log in and see, initializing the data handler. So the viewDidLoad method is calling and the data handler one is initialized. So now the thing is, what happens if I write code like this, So in this variable, we have stored the instance of the data handler, and there is another variable data handler 2 is also storing the uh, instance of the data handler. Now the question is, can we see this message 2 times? Because this is also going to call uh, this code block, and this is also going to call this code block, and this code block is ultimately returning the instance of the data handler. So let's see whether we can see the 2 messages or not. So actually you can see only one message. See, only one message. So because this is the singleton architecture, we have the only one instance of this data handler, and this is going to call only one time only. And whenever you try to access the again and again, same reference variable is returning to us. So now let's move on the table view part, which I want to show you. So now I'm going to add some dynamic informations inside the table view cell, and for that I need to prepare a data. So the thing is, uh, this would be the category, and I want to display the number of 4 or 5 number of categories inside this list. So let me make one class, sorry, one model like user we have created in past. So category, so new file, and so file, let me put name, it's category, okay. Now I can create a structure, struct category, and it will have 2 variables. One is the image. I can put the image name for now. So the 2 name, first one is the var name of type string. This is the category name, and next variable, let's put for now image name, and it is also of type string. Okay, now the thing is, now we need to add the these category related information in the data handler. So we have the category. Now I'm going to add some more stuff here. So let me put var category list, which will be of type array, and array of type category, and for now there is no category. So okay, now I'm going to add some category inside the categories inside the category list. So category list dot append, and category name is so we can put food. Category name, let's put food image. Category list dot append category, okay, vegetables, okay. Now category list dot append category books, okay. So now I'm going to add one method which will give us the category list. So func get category list. It should return array of category, and I'm going to return this one, return category list. Okay, so actually we have the one model category. I have the two parameters, attributes, name and image name. And inside the data handler, I have created the category list variable. I put the default categories, some categories inside that category list while initializing this data handler. And then we have the one method which gives us this category list. Now let's use this stuff in the home BC. So inside the home BC, see, what I can do is I can do something, I can write the code something like that. Data handler dot share dot get category list. This method gives us the list of category, and I can put the count. Whatever the number of category list we have, you can populate that number of cell. This one. And same stuff, same thing, same concept I can use here. See, what I can do is I need to fetch the individual category from this category list. So let category from, category from data handler dot share dot get category list. I can put the index path dot row. Row will start from the 0 index. If this is 0, then it will give us the food. If this is 1, then it will give us the vegetables. Otherwise, it will give us books. These are the three possible category we will get. And again, let's erase this one, and category dot name. I can display here. Let's see how it is working. Okay, so now we have the three categories, and if I add one more category here, let me add one more category. Now, okay, fish category. Okay, one category is added. Okay, see, we have the fish category. Okay, now we learned how to create the custom table view cell, and at the same time we learned the dynamic approach to displaying the cell. Actually, when you will do the project, then either you need to get all these list of category information from the database, or you may call the API, and you may get the response from there. So whatever the response you will get, you need to convert that in some kind of list, and you need to use like this. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I will come with some more concept, how to add more categories inside this list view, and how to delete the existing categories from this list view with the help of the data handler. And later on, I will create the local database for all these stuffs. So stay tuned with this channel, and you will learn more stuff in this learning series. Thank you. Happy coding.